It's when we need a link. I will say, yo, we need for bus. Richie just have a rhythm name, Winner. The scene, I would say, yo, we ask Degree for chat to him for it. And Degree got chat to him and he said, alright.
Still no, could I chat to me myself, bro? Tony never know.
Yeah, man.
Right, you never know.
Scene? So the man say, yo, him say, hold up. Them time, let me tell you something, them time 24 track. In our Pro Tools, you have limited track. Scene? And the man say, I have 2 track left and a 4 of it. And him say, yo, I only have time tomorrow at 6 o'clock in the morning. True, we live at Portmore, we have to sleep over female at the night. And we have practice the tune, come here the tune and say, yeah, we're going to run.
Il Nana.
Il Nana. Come the morning and voice, you are the Il Nana. Il Nana. Hey, oh, Nana. Gee-whiz. Oh, yeah. Yeah, man, Richie tell me.
You know what I know, people. You know what I know. This one was a little youth. I meet Dennis Brown. Dennis Brown look at me and say, see the youth of people, I love how him sing. I'm a little youth this. And he said the joy of that give me learn from this. So you see, youth you are coming out of the business.
Yeah, man.
Always give them a strength.
Yeah, man.
And guess what now? Me proud for that. Yes or no? For say. You okay? I'm glad say.
Yeah, man.
You never deny them.
You have a new name, you know.
You see that youth, yeah?
I have a new name for you.
Come on, picture. Come on, picture. Don't give me the name yet. You see that youth, yeah?
What's the new name?
The same exact thing. The TOK, the same exact thing with the youth.
Yeah, man.
I go up at the hotel and hear him and I said, no, the youth, I forced to reckon with him. Carry him, I'm going to do a combination with him. Them time there, the Mara, so.
And nothing not going at all. So I reached Jamaica 98 to record my first album, you know, tried to get some links. So me and Stefan took the Yellow Pages book. Wow. Some studios and nobody responded while they shoot, you know me I say, but Richie did, you know. And that was the time when we meet you the first time too, you know. So that's the new name, you know. Richie Stephens, aka Door Opener. Boom!
Yeah, man, I'm saying for all of it. Big up French over there, so French.
Frenchy! The veteran!
Yeah, man.
French look fresh, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Come
Young girl, man.
Brand new shirt.
A young girl, man. A young girl did that to know.
Yeah, man. So you don't know. It's a good vibe. We finish the song.
Man. It's a joy.
True to yourself, true to myself, and everybody who watch it, just make sure you keep true to yourself.
Man.
You know what I'm saying?
Definitely.
That's the only thing you can do in a life. Just be true to yourself. I will give thanks to Jenko, man. You know, doing the
give thanks same way because you know it's almost 2 decades when we say every time we meet each other we say, yeah man, tomorrow we're gonna make a song.
I see your thing.
So it happened now.
Oh, what for tomorrow?
I'm like a running jack already. We're gonna do a song.
Someone put out 20 albums.
Yeah, man, could I do it? Why? So we talk about perfection and wait and make it right, you know?
Yeah, not before it's time. Better you do it right than just to do it.
Yeah, man.
Do it right.
True, man.
Yeah, man. So big up, you don't know. And look how feet I got here. Sick thing. Germany. But forward in the summer, you know, so you don't know. No, you have a double treat.
No,
it's TOK and German, man.
Sick.
And the way our Rich move him good all day to, you know, kind of family like you never Germany.
I think you live there.